231 diamond, and it's an Optare Solo DeeBee, which has the leather seat and a B on the seat. So anyway, we're on the 231 from Rowley Regis station to Halesowen bus station. Anyway, here we go, on to the Optare Solo on 231. Now of course the 231 used to be done by Hanson's until it was changed to diamond before Hanson's got changed completely to diamond, and then Central Buses became diamond, and then the Whoosh became diamond in Coniston coaches. Anyway, here we are, Olive Lane, Mill, School, Special Needs School, which is also rival to Sutton School in Dudley. And there's Halesowen School, construction work still taking place, integrated now on the 231, just coming alongside the 202 Bronx Road, that's where I was going. So the 231 and the 202 are along this route. And here we are going down towards Halesowen now, going down Wicklow Hill on the 231 route. When we get to Halesowen, we'll change for the 142 to Stourbridge, which is a Diamond Central Bus route. Down Wicklow Hill, back up there's B&Q. There's Halesowen just right down there. Of course, this bus goes quite slower compared to the 202 because they use a Wessex Star and a Volvo these days. There's a Wick store that used to be a WS Smith Do It All, and of course a Focus. Of course, the 202 used to use a Dart, but however the Dart couldn't work, and neither could the Optare Solo because it always kept breaking down, causing explosive problems on the faster 202, and of course the vibration system was really loud. However, this won't go on the 202, it might go on the 202, but I doubt it. Right, here we are on the ground. Anyway, here we are coming into Halesowen. So anyway, here we are at Halesowen, terminus for 231 from Blackheath, 142 from Stourbridge, 202 from Bromsgrove, 17 and 13 from Merry Hill, and also the 192 from Kidderminster and the 147 from Bromsgrove. Anyway, here we are, Halesowen bus station, all changed.